Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to make a surprise cake without using oven, and that's for my mother.
My Mafi.
So let's begin. First we will mix all the wet ingredients together. For that we have taken 1 cup of milk and half a cup of powdered sugar. If you want, you can put more sugar as per your taste.
Also, you have to ensure that all the other ingredients except for sugar are of the exact quantity as it is said in the video. It will ensure that your cake comes out properly and it will turn really airy and fluffy instead of being dense.
Then you have to take 1/3 cup of oil, then add it to the milk sugar mixture.
If you want, you can also use butter, but oil is better.
Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it thoroughly for 5 minutes. Also make sure that all the ingredients are at room temperature. Now it's time for dry ingredients. First we have to take 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and to it add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, then add half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And sieve them properly. Also take care that you do not add a lot of baking soda, as it makes the cake more dense and less fluffy. Now you have to mix it well until there are no lumps in the batter.
Sieving them will ensure that your cake is more airy and fluffy. Also, if you want, you can put more cocoa powder as per your taste, and if you want the cake to have a darker and a richer color.
Now you have to apply butter to your cake tin. Make sure you apply the butter generously.
And then sprinkle a bit of all-purpose flour into your cake tin. This is a sort of magic release, as it will help your cake to come out clean out of the cake tin. This is a method which is used everywhere for baking cakes. It will also ensure that your cake does not stick to the tin.
Now pour the batter into the cake tin and preheat your vessel for 10 minutes at medium flame. And then cook it for 40 to 45 minutes on low flame. You can repeat this process as many times you want, depending on the number of layers your cake has.
So as you can see, the cakes have come out really clean, and we have also trimmed the top layer a bit so that we can apply the icing more properly. Just see how airy it is, but it's also a bit dense. So for making the icing, it's really a simple recipe. I'll just list out the ingredients. You just have to take a bit of cocoa powder. Bit of cocoa powder means 3 tablespoons, 70 grams of butter, and mix it well. Also add 1 cup of sugar to it until it forms a dough-like consistency. Then into it put 1 small packet of fresh cream and mix until it is into a thick consistency. And then you have to freeze it overnight. After freezing it, you have to take it out and then you have to beat it until it is airy and fluffy, and then as you can see, you just have to apply it on the cake as I am applying. You can also apply it as you want, means now I had applied a bit more in between and also a lot more on top. If you want, you can add less according to your tastes, but who does not like frosting? So we have added a lot of it. Also, we did not have a turntable, so
So if you like today's video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.